Hey lovely people, today I'm planning to give this MDF board a textured feel. Firstly adding thickness by sticking two boards for solidity. And now most important is smoothing surface with the primer, applying it uniformly and wait until it's dry. Next thing is to use your pencil. Draw anything. Shape your imagination, and this is what I could do here. Now guys, I didn't had in professional kit, all desi jugaad. This is the rolling board, powder and the clay box, Fevicryl one, which consists of clay and the hardener. There is a division card between this clay and hardener, which I will be using as rolling device. Time to knead the clay well. Use the powder to make sticks out of these kneaded clay. Now guys, this is the most important step. You have to go for a good quality clay. अच्छी क्वालिटी का क्ले नहीं होगा, मे बी शेप अच्छा ना आए, ड्राई ना हो, बोर्ड पे स्टिक अच्छे से ना हो, तो बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आती. सो ऑलवेज गो फॉर अ गुड क्वालिटी क्ले and shape the clay slowly using your hands or simple tools, whatever you're having, and take your time. Clay works best when you give it a little bit of patience and care, and always make sure that the sticks you're making out of the clay is of right thickness. कहीं मोटा कहीं पतला ऐसे होने से फिर वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा बोर्ड पे. So always make sure that the thickness is even and allow the clay to rest and dry, because clay can lose its shape if you are not letting it rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. I have done the mistake over here. You can see on the first two circles which I have stuck on the board, the clay has lost its shape. So if you are letting it rest, it will not lose its shape. Later I have corrected it. However, this is important point to be noted. At this moment, I am not having any cutter or blade, so I was helpless. I was using my steel scale and the safety pin, of course, and also the mandala art tool for shaping and carving the design. Other wooden metal sculpting tools for shaping and carving are available online. If you want, you can purchase it, but at this moment I am using these, and my only concern is to cut in clean shapes, and that's it. So there are several other things also, like apart from safety pin which I am using, you can also use toothpicks for fine details. So that's up to you. It was really fun doing last part of the board because of the small detailing of creepers, leaves and lotuses here. This is actually a Pichwai inspired art form, and yes, this is adding beauty and charm to the whole artwork. To enhance the border, press the clay into perfect circle and then let the center breathe with these tiny holes. Now it's time to add nature's rhythm, the simple clay loops which is turned into graceful leaves. Stick it, sharpen the edges, give it a clean sharp look, and you're done. With this, I have come to an end of part 1 video. In the next part, I'll be showing you the coloring and the embellishment of this board. Till then, do like and subscribe my channel, and also thanks a lot for watching the video.